Okay. So here we are later in the day, 11:23, where we're now hitting our bearish key level after failing to break through our bullish key level. Right? What we're going to need here is some confirmation. What we want to do is we want to what we want to do is we want to see the market break through this area, close below this area, right? And then, what I really want to see after that, right, are some let me see some you know let me see a little structure here, man. All right, let me get a lower high or something. All right. This is what I want to see. All right. And I definitely want to break below this level here, close below that, and I also want to see a lower high below this level. So I want to see like this as well. I want to see this also, right? All right. I get this, and you know, um, I get this, and I'll take I'll take a short over the weekend. I wouldn't be afraid. All right, I'll take a short over the weekend if I get that. All right, let me see you break this key level. Right, close below it, pull back, fail to get back above, fail to really sustain above it. All right, push down. Let me get a lower low. Then let me get a lower high and a new low. All right, that's what I want to see. All right, so I want to see at least. All right, a lower high and a lower low. That's what I want to see. I want to at least see a lower high and a lower low down there. All right, that's what I want to see. You know, um, so if we can get that, then we'll be talking business. All right, I close below it. I retest a lower low, a lower high. Let me get that. I'm on the 5 minute chart, so that's not a lot to ask for. It's only 11:30, right? But we need to get some confirmation there, right? So let me see you start to set some market structure below that key level. Because again, we've already failed to break to the upside um after having some of our, um after having a push to this level on higher volume. Now we fell back here, and less companies are trading on above average volume as we push lower. Okay, so yeah, I need to see us close below this level and start to set some structure down here. All right, I want to actually see lower lows and lower highs begin below this level. Okay, so that's the way to handle that. If you're getting late in the day breaks, look for some sort of a market structure confirmation. Right? Like for example, if it just fell straight, boom, right? At least give me a close below this level right here. Right? So we got some clarity going on. So at least give me a close below this level right here without give me a close below this level right here um without actually, breaking back above this key area. Okay. Give me something that can confirm this with market structure. That's what you want to see when you're getting this is when you're getting breaks late in the day. Right. Other than that, you can take those quicker signals, the first close above, all that stuff if you want to. But when the later in the day we get, the more confirmation I would say you should look for. Especially if you've already had one failed attempt at a breakout. Don't assume that a failed breakout to the upside means a successful breakout to the downside is coming. Don't assume that. Okay? What you should be assuming is that you might end up in a range. You should assume that. Okay? This is a very powerful tool. This right here, right, and you know what I might do here. I might change this to bearish and bullish. All right. Your bearish key and your bullish key. I might go ahead and do that. That'll make it easier, right? But these bullish and bearish key levels right here, these bullish and bearish key levels are powerful, man. Look at it. Look at the market. Up, hits this point. This was set after the first 15-minute candle close. Up, hits this point, comes straight down to this area here. Right? Stall there for a little bit. You're getting a break now. Right? But this is a powerful tool here. So you could end up in a range here. You've done it a lot of times. All right, you've seen it. If you've been on the stream with me, you've seen it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and keep that in mind, guys. Other than that, I'll look forward to catching up with you guys later on tonight. I'm gonna host a how to make money in stocks room. Later on tonight, I'm gonna host a how to make money in stocks room. You know, let's have ourselves a conversation, shall we, guys? Y'all down for that? Y'all down for a little how to make money in stocks? What y'all think about it?